have to open the door. Hi guys, this is Benny.
And this is Dhruv. And today we will review Chief Daddy. So if I look at the IMDb of this trailer, it says Chief Daddy tells the story of billionaire industrialist Chief Beecroft, a flamboyant benefactor to a large extended family of relatives, household staff, and assorted mistresses. Chief lives large, like there's no tomorrow, until the day he suddenly dies and the bullion van stops. What's in his will and who gets all that money? What happens next will surprise you, as Chief Daddy has the last laugh beyond the grave. It sounds interesting. All right, so here we go.
His Chief Daddy will give us the money.
Yes.
Do you know this man said we should write anything we want for Christmas?
Boss, I got money, you know.
Chief Daddy!
Gabo, you have killed him with all your troubles.
Yeah, me.
My husband's body is barely cold, and the first thing out of your mouth is his will?
Kemi! Lenwe, o ma bàjẹ́ o.
Chief Daddy is dead?
Chief Daddy is dead.
What did they?
Everybody father look away.
We are all here for one person. Even though we may not like what the present situation is, we need to remember that that one person meant everything to us.
I should know my husband better than anybody.
You really do.
Get out of my house!
I'm gonna get all my man them. We're gonna come there and wreck the party.
Oh, Bieri Debe.
I call Uncle Tega for you now, your money is gone.
I thought this was supposed to be a dignified family meeting. Who called all these people?
Anyone that hasn't got child for my dad is illegitimate, in my opinion. If I'm gonna be successful,
You are not a street brat. You're a Beecroft.
street attitude, mom. You need to allow it.
Èmi tẹ́ni ọmọ Beecroft. What?
Hey, man.
What did you say? What did you just hear? Wait.
Like a fun movie. First off, I mean, somebody dies, you call the whole family together, and suddenly people you do not know who come over, and the only concern for people who come is what's in the will.
Yeah, and I'm sure this happens with a lot of rich families, right? The two.
Yeah, right.
This reminds me of our from Hollywood is Knives Out, which was a serious murder mystery. I don't know if you've seen it, but yeah. So that also has a very big twist, but that is about this rich man who, who's all his relatives and his dynamics with them and what happens when he dies, like who gets the will, and it's all about that story. And from Bollywood, it reminds me of Awara Pagal Deewana, because in that movie, I forget, was it Om Puri who dies? And then everybody is in this race to get that money. One is a gangster, Akshay Kumar is a gangster, and then Sunil Shetty is like something else, and they're all out to get the money. So, which was funny. And I especially liked the cliffhanger at the end where they talked about, they were bickering amongst themselves, and they were like, "Oh, who's there? So is it like, is he alive or is he testing them?" Like there's the cliffhanger there that we don't know what's going to happen. Like, is he really dead or was he faking it to try to get their, to try to understand their motivations? It was pretty funny.
Yeah, I mean, I'm really curious to find out that what it is. And the whole, the trailer has appealed me. I would really like to have a look. And what was interesting was that it's a funeral, and all you see is people enjoying themselves. Everybody's laughing. Everybody's gathered together. They're dancing. There's a show going on at the end. So that's kind of interesting.
I didn't know, I wasn't sure if it was a funeral or was it just a separate party event that they were showing. But if that's a funeral, I would really, again, like to know what Nigerian culture is about. Is it like celebration of life or is it mourning the death? Like, that is just very interesting to see that if that was the funeral, like that's like a carnival. That thing, like that's hilarious. And
Right.
again with this movie, that even though it is about death, the tone is obviously, as we can see, dramedy. It's a drama and a comedy. And it also reminded me of those reality shows that I don't watch, but it's like how housewives or wives of superstars or something. Like there is this drama between different women. I saw that majority of them were women, um,
Mhm.
which was interesting. And their dresses, man, they were so beautiful, and they were
Wow.
beautifully like dressed. I was just like in awe of that. Like they looked so good.
True. But imagine that. I mean, for the lady of the house, for the person who has lost her husband, she suddenly comes to know there's one after the other, various mistresses coming over, and they want a share in his will. I mean, how annoyed would you be? How angry would you be? But then you have to handle the situation, and you have the kids, and the kids are also least bothered about the death. I mean, they're not really so bothered about the death rather than who is in the will. And instead of getting to mourn the loss of a husband, you're actually having to face a family drama and handle all that with strangers who now are trying to say that, as one of the things was, I know your husband better than you, or something like that. There was a dialogue kind of like that, and that's so annoying.
That is annoying, and I feel like it takes away. I mean, even though this is a comedy, like if that were to happen in a real situation, it takes away from your process of just, you processing the loss of your husband. And she was the only one who seemed kind of like, you guys are fighting, but this is about my husband. And everybody else was consumed in getting a piece of the wealth, you know? And even with his son, like, he was like, I'm the only legitimate kid and everybody is illegitimate. Like, as a society, how do you deal with that? Like, that's just such a weird dilemma. Like, how does someone deal with a situation like that? Because I'm sure there are situations like that that happen around the world. And how
True.
someone resolve that? I don't know if there was a will in place in this situation, but if there wasn't, then that's complete chaos. Like, and I suppose different countries have different laws that favor different situations. Like certain countries, if they might be conservative, they would be supporting only the wife and nobody else would get the money. But is that fair? So it's interesting to see what actually happens, and if the guy is actually dead, that it just looked pretty interesting. Like, who knows what's going to happen? So I think I would want to watch it. And it looks, even though it's about death and loss and her having to deal with all this, with the stress, it looks like a fun movie. There was also, they showed like a young couple I don't know if it was her son and something else, but there's so many different dramas going on, like not just about this will, but then I'm sure there's other things that come to light. Like there was this couple and they were like, "Ah, they saw us together," like something else, some other things pop up. Like I would be interested in seeing
What
where.
comes to my mind?
Yeah.
What comes to my mind? Maybe it was one of the younger mistresses and the dead guy's son. That's what comes to my mind, and that's why they might have been shocked. Afraid that somebody might have seen them together.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
I'm
Well,
really looking forward to watching this. Yeah.
interesting movie. So guys, if you liked our reaction, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And share it with friends, get the word out, and we would love to get any feedback that you have for us. Until next time, Fir milenge.
Fir milenge. See you guys.